All right. In order to do Hour of Code today, you have the choice of two different coding apps. So you can either use the Foos, which is the little monster that says Code Spark. If we tap on that and open it up, we need to choose down in the bottom left-hand corner the Snoopy Hour of Code. It may take a moment to download content the first time. I want you to start where it says Puzzles. The orange box where it says Puzzles. This will be the Foos game. You may start by playing and you will go through, as you can see on the screen, 24 levels. So if I hit play and then I go to world number 1, I can watch the video where the monster steals the police officer's donuts. I tap my arrow to go on to the next screen, and now I need to help the police officer get to the donut. So I'm going to drag the little box, the little coding block, onto the screen, and then I'm going to tap her so that she wins the level. If I do it in the least number of moves possible, I will get 3 stars, and then I tap the next arrow to go on to the next one. This time I need to move forward 2 blocks. I can change the direction of my arrow, but in this case I want her to run to the right. When I have it all set up, then I press her and she will go, and I will get my 3 stars. Then you'll see I'm going to get a new coding block here, the jump block. And I'm going to go on to my next level. So please notice that there are little empty squares that tell you how many steps you are going to need. All right? So that's the Foos. When I'm all done and have been all the way through the levels, I can hit my home button. I can go up to the hamburger in the upper left-hand corner. I can hit my home button again. Then I can go into Snoopy Snowball. This game you can play a couple levels by yourself, hit play, and then it will unlock the 2-player versus the computer after you've been through all the levels. So you will be able to play with a partner after you complete some of these levels. So in this app, in this coding game, the Woodstocks are mad. They're trying to decide if the snowman should have a blue hat or a red hat, and they're all yelling at each other. And now they are going to try and knock the colored hats off the snowman. So if I tap on Woodstock, I want him to throw a snowball, and then I'm going to tap the check mark, and he's going to throw it and knock the hat off the snowman. Then I'll go to round 2. Now this time, tap him. I need to throw the snowball, but I need to change the direction and throw it the other way. So I'm going to choose the left arrow and then the check mark. So he's going to turn around and throw the snowball that way. So you can work all the way through this. When you're done, go to home. We're going to use our back arrows to get all the way out. When you begin, if another class has been in here already, you'll need to tap the red hamburger, and you'll need to choose that blue Reset Student Progress. That will take the game back to look like no one has played it, so the next people, or that you, can start back from the beginning. So you'll need to do that first. If when you go in, someone has already played through some of the levels. So that's one of the apps. The other app is called Box